Hi nail friends and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing a simple dip-powder manicure, so let's get right into the video. So I'll be using Revel nail gold dip-powder known as tinsel, totally dipped, burgundy and embossy, and Mother One's dip-powder. So I've already applied my tips and buffed my nails, and now I'm applying my Cherael Symone bond to dehydrate the nails. If you don't have any bond, you can also use rubbing alcohol or acetone, they both do the same thing. Now I'm applying 2 layers of clear dip powder to my nails, so I apply base to 3/4 of the nail and then I dip it into the clear dip powder. Then I apply base to the whole nail and then I dip it into the clear dip powder. This is done to build the nails and also to protect my natural nails from the color. This is also an optional step, but I like doing it. Now, starting on the pinky nail, I apply a thin layer of base and then I poured the pink dip powder on my nail. I did 3 layers of that on camera and then I built up the nail with the pink dip powder off camera. I only used clear dip powder to encapsulate the glitter nail, but for each nail I just built up the nails off camera. Now on the middle finger, I do a few layers of the burgundy dip powder from Totally Dipped. This dip powder is really pretty and very pigmented. It's a really dark brown with gold shimmer and it's so gorgeous. On the ring finger, I'm using the gold glitter, so I just pour some out into a container and then I place a thin layer of base on my ring finger and then laid my finger into the glitter. I did 2 layers of that and then I encapsulated the nail off camera with the clear dip powder. On the index finger, I'm using my Mother One's number 78 and I do a few layers of that as well, but I only show 2 or 3 layers. Then I apply activator, waited for the nails to harden, then began filing. So this is after filing of the nails, and if you'd like to see my filing routine, I'll link to a video in the cards. Now I apply my Model 1's gel glue and gel top coat to my index and middle finger. Then I place some gel top coat on my ring finger. And now I place some of the rhinestones on my middle and index finger, and then I cure for 30 seconds. Then I place a matte top coat on my pinky nail and cured for 30 seconds. Now, using my Model 1's gel polish, I'm going to be drawing some lines on my pinky nail. Then I poured the pink dip powder on my nail and cured for 30 seconds. So when the nails cool down, I apply some cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nails, and this is the finished look. So if you like this video, you're going to want to check out my other videos on dip powder. Click the videos you see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys!